In this video, I'll show you how to clean your toilet like a pro. Let's start. In this video, I'll tell you the small tips and tricks to clean your toilet very quickly and neatly. Can you believe this toilet is 10 years old but still it looks like a new, right? Because I have used some small tips and tricks to clean the toilet nicely. You can use different methods, but here I have used two harpic. One is blue harpic and one is red harpic. I have mixed both of them and I have applied and leave it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, then with the help of scrub, I just cleaned it thoroughly. Scrub will be easy to clean your toilet. You can see how neatly it is being cleaned, right? Yes. After that, I'll show you how to clean the wash basin. We are almost done. So after 30 minutes, we have started cleaning the toilet. If you have the Lysol, even you can spray the Lysol in the toilet. That will disinfect your toilet. In market, so many disinfectant is available. It is better to spray the disinfectant regularly to stay healthy and safe. In market, there are many disinfectant available. You can buy some of them and you can spray regularly to stay safe from bacteria. After cleaning the floor, we will start cleaning our toilet. We will clean from every side, from top to bottom. We should not leave any space. We should clean it thoroughly. Because if we'll clean our toilet, then we will be disease free. If you don't have any liquid in your home to clean your toilet, even you can use your baking soda or vinegar. You can mix both of them and you can apply in your tile. It would be very helpful to clean your tile like a new one. You can try this. Cleanliness is next to godliness, so we should always clean the toilet perfectly, neatly, so that we all will be healthy forever. Even there are lots of bacteria in your toilet which you cannot see in your eye, but we should make sure to use the disinfectant to get rid out of it. Then we will use the water to clean all this harpic which we have used. We can wash it thoroughly with water. You can see the magic in the toilet, right? How neat. This is a 10 years old toilet. Can you believe it? No, right? You can use my method, you can use my small tips and tricks to make your toilet like my toilet. You can put your valuable comment in the comment box. I would definitely read all your comments and I would reply to all those comments. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest updates. I will bring a new video for you, just for you. Now we are almost done. Now we will go and we will clean our wash basin. It's time to take care of the wash basins too. See how it looks so bright and clean. After cleaning your toilet, you can flush once and you can put your Lysol liquid and you can use disinfectant to make it germs free. Now we will arrange all our face wash, hand soap, everything in the wash basin and our toilet is ready for use. Bye bye my friends, see you in the next video.